Hello friend, welcome to my channel once again. So here is computer science MCQ part 6. Let's start this video. So the first question is, what is a big O in data structure? Options are there. So what is a big O? The correct answer is option first. Function of n is less than equal to c dot gn, and for all value of n is greater than equal to no. Option C is stand for omega. Okay. Question 2. What is the best case complexity of insertion sort? So options are there. Best case complexity. So the answer is option 1. Big O n. This is the best case complexity of insertion sort, and O n square is the worst case and average case complexity of insertion sort. N log n is the complexity of heap sort, quick sort. Okay. So next, move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Is question number 3 is, which is the application of Q? Tree traversal, rat in maze. It's not is. Rat is maze is okay. Depth first search and breadth first search. So what is the application of Q? So the answer is breadth first search. All the above, tree traversal, rat in maze, and depth first search is the application of stack. Now question 4th is, which addressing mode for at AL0301? What is this addressing mode? It is direct, indexed, immediate, or register. Which addressing mode? So the correct answer is it's a direct addressing mode. Okay. Now question 5th is, for 128 by 8 memory chip, what is the size of address bus? So what's its size? The correct answer is 7 bit. Okay, how it will be 7 bits? That is 128 equals to 2 to the power 7. Okay, so 2 to the power 7 means 7 is the address bus, and here 8 bit, this 8 bit stand for data bus. Okay, so this is for data bus. 2 to the power 7 is for address bus. Now question next is, virtual memory is a part of. So the correct answer is virtual memory is a part of secondary memory. Okay. Question 7th is, in RDBMS, generalization is. We know about generalization, specialization. So generalization is a bottom up approach. Okay. Subclass form the superclass, and top down approach is a specialization, that is superclass form the subclass. Okay. Now question 8 is, IP 190.255.254.254 is comes under which class? So the correct answer is class B. How we will know that it will come under a class B? That's 190 will tell you about that will come under a class B. How? So see the table here. For class A, the first octal range will be 1 to 126. For class B, it will be 128 to 191. So 190 is comes under this range. And class C, 192 to 223, and for class D 224 to 239, and the last one class E 242 to 255. Okay, so after seeing this 190, we can easily define that this will comes under a class B. Now question 9th is Boolean expression a plus a dash equals to 1 is a, so which Boolean expression is this? A plus a dash is a, it's a complementary Boolean expression. Okay, now last question is what is a converse pre-order? So which one is a converse pre-order? So answer is root right left. We know simple pre-order is a root left right. Okay, so converse means opposite of left right is right left. Okay, so the answer second one is correct one, converse pre-order. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Thanks once again.